Welcome to Italy 101, your YIGO Italy cultural guide.
Here in Italy, there is a time of day, typically before lunch or after the workday, where Italians gather in their local piazzas or outside bars and restaurants to enjoy a fashionable cocktail. Today I am meeting with my friends to enjoy a local aperitivo, which consists of a simple drink or cocktail paired with salty snacks for around 5 to 8 euro per person. This stimulates the appetite in preparation for lunch or dinner, which is around 8 or 9 p.m. When you arrive at the counter to order, you may simply say, "Prendo uno spritz, por favore," which translates to, "I will have a spritz, please." The most popular drink of choice is called the Aperitivo Spritz. The Aperitivo Spritz is a refreshing, semi-bitter orange cocktail drink that consists of 2 parts Aperol, 2 parts Prosecco, and 1 part soda water. Aperitivo Spritz is a trendy drink that dates back to 1919, where it was founded in Padua in the Veneto region of northeast Italy. Another favorable option is the Campari Spritz, known for its bright red color and slightly more bitter taste than the Aperol, made up of the same 2 parts Campari, 2 parts Prosecco, and 1 part soda water. Salute, amici!
Thank you for watching Italy 101, your YIGO Italy cultural guide. If you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to our YIGO Italy YouTube channel. If you know someone who could benefit from this video, be sure to send it their way. Ciao for now!